Hey guys, Megan Pulley here with Apex Window Works. Today I'm going to be introducing you to a unique product, tilt and turn windows with unique European technology. Apex Window Works is the only local manufacturer of this kind of tilt and turn windows, but we can still surprise you with price. We beat any quote from other companies for regular double hang windows. With other companies, you need to wait almost a month. With us, you can have it installed in 2 weeks. Everything from glass unit to frame is manufactured here in Illinois. And of course, you can't miss the lifetime warranty. Every detail of the window, from frame structure to multi-pane glass, is made for your convenience and protection of your home's warmth. All windows come with a metal frame, meaning they never bend and never lose their level. Any color, any size, from windows to patio doors, Apex Window Works can customize it for you. Yourself what this new age of windows looks like. Visit us in our Wheeling showroom today.